Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. We're here out at Texas Motor Speedway for the Good Guys McGuire All-Star Meetup. We've got Jason here with Fastway. He's going to show us a little bit about his products that he's got here today.
Hey guys, let's take a look at some of the flash ball mounts made by Fastway Trailer Products. What we've tried to do with our ball mounts is really take a look at the common problems that plague the towing industry and figured out a good solution for those. So we'll walk through some of the models right now and show you what some of them do. To begin with, we have our E-Series ball mount, which is just a simple single pin design to adjust it up and down. So those people that are looking for something that's going to be fast, easy to adjust and use, this is the ball mount for them. Moving on, if we looked at what we call our adjustable locking ball mount, this one is for the security-minded customer. It's got an integrated hitch pin lock, as well as the ball holder is all locked down to the drop bar. So to adjust it, you can unlock this, raise it to the desired height, or flip the ball up and down depending on what size you need, lock it back up, and when you wake up in the morning, your ball mount's still going to be there. Moving on, we've got those that want to measure their tongue weight accurately. So we've built our integrated scale ball mount that's 100% mechanical design on it. So as you load your trailer, you can accurately see where your tongue weight is. Next, we've got our black ball mounts here, or our still ball mounts. So if you're looking for really the workhorse in the industry, it's these guys right here. So solid still, you're rated at 12,000 pounds on the 2-inch and all the way up to 20,000 pounds on the 2.5-inch. So those guys that are really pulling kind of extreme loads or heavy duty loads, this is the ball mount that you'd want to look at for them. But thanks for taking a look at the ball mounts, and go to our website, fastwaytrailer.com. You can also check it out at Earl Owen Company.